As usual, I think three stock for today. Most I think the three are all buy calls. The first stock is actually Gentayu Sustainables. If you look at the share price, yes, I think the correction in the past have kept the candlestick below the moving averages. But I think in recent weeks, we have seen some positive progress. Basically, I think if you look at the candlestick, basically towards the right-hand side here, on yesterday itself, the share price actually pushed the candles above the resistance trend line. And as well as, I think when you look at a series of small body candles over here, they are all trading above or mostly above the 30-day SMA. So this is actually a good sign for the stock. And in fact, yesterday, the share price went close to challenge the 50-day SMA. So essentially, if there is another white candle today, most likely we could probably see the 50-day SMA being taken out, and that would actually instill greater confidence to the stock and put more weight in terms of its recovery. Second stock is actually Dillium. I think if you look at the share price movement, yes, the correction was initially from the high of May was quite sharp as well, but I think equally it bounces back quite quickly. I think if you look at the recovery from this low here, share price has actually bounces back above all the key moving averages. In fact, I think when you look at the momentum, even if you look at the long body candle yesterday, it shows that the momentum is actually quite strong. Okay, therefore, I think if you look at the price action, the boost will continue to dominate in the near term, and I think very good chance that I think the high possibility that the May high may be re-challenged again. Okay, the third stock is actually Press Matter. I think the correction was sharp, from the high of 608, but I think the bottom has actually formed, and I think share price has actually bounces back, and currently it is trading above the 200-day SMA. If you look at the 30-day SMA, it was at 5.20. So in other words, Press Matter also closed above the 30-day SMA yesterday. But of course, we noticed that momentum has actually faded a bit and tapered off a bit. Hence, I think we need to see another white candle to validate the breakout from the downward sloping resistance trend line here. Okay, longer term, I think if the 30-day SMA can swing back above or cut above the 50-day SMA, that will be uh, uh, a positive sign, another positive sign to indicate that a stronger rebound is actually underway.